How to make homemade strawberry spinach rice salad, summer vacation dish, affordable for beginners. Hey everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel. If you're new here, hit that subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another video. Today, we have a perfect summer vacation dish for you, strawberry spinach rice salad. This dish is easy, healthy, and absolutely delicious. Perfect for any summer gathering or a simple meal at home. Let's dive right into it. Here's what you'll need for this amazing salad. 1 cup cooked rice, you can use white, brown, or wild rice. 2 cups fresh spinach, washed and roughly chopped. 1 cup strawberries, hulled and sliced. Half cup feta cheese, crumbled. Half cup toasted almonds or walnuts, optional. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. 1/4 cup fresh mint leaves, chopped, optional. For the dressing: 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons balsamic vinegar. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Half teaspoon Dijon mustard. Salt and pepper to taste. As you can see, these are simple and affordable ingredients that you can easily find at your local grocery store. Now, let's get started with the preparation. First, cook your rice according to the package instructions and let it cool. You can use any type of rice you prefer, white, brown, or wild rice all work great. Once the rice is cool, add it to a large mixing bowl. Next, add the chopped spinach, sliced strawberries, crumbled feta cheese, toasted almonds, and finely chopped red onion. If you love a fresh twist, you can also add chopped mint leaves. Now, let's prepare the dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, honey or maple syrup, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. The dressing adds a tangy and sweet flavor that complements the freshness of the salad. Pour the dressing over the salad mixture and toss everything together until the ingredients are well coated. Look at that! Our strawberry spinach rice salad is ready to serve. You can enjoy it right away or let it chill in the fridge for a bit for the flavors to meld together. This salad is not only visually stunning with its vibrant colors but also packs a punch of flavors and textures. It's the perfect dish for any summer gathering or a quick and healthy meal at home. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. Let me know in the comments if you try it out. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. If you love this recipe and want more delicious dishes, make sure to subscribe to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel and check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.